Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Since June 2022, the price line is moving in this territory that is from $17,500 to $19,500. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to move more down and break down this support? And are we going to hit $13,000 target to the downside? Or is there any possibility for the breakout to the upside? But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that Bitcoin is moving inside a very long-term down channel. And here, remember, we are also forming a huge double bottom. So far, the price line did not break down this very strong support zone that starts from $19,500 and goes to $17,500. Previously, when we had this big drop in the month of June 2022, we tested this support zone and we had a nice pump, but rejected by this resistance of the down channel. And right now you can see we are again dropped down, and now we are very close to this resistance of the down channel, and we did not break down this support. So there can be a possible very huge double bottom formation. And we can also observe that this is a very long-term support zone. We can see back in December 2020 it worked as a very strong support and resistance here, and before that in December 2017 it worked as a very strong resistance. We got rejected, we again got rejected here in the month of January 2018 as well. Now therefore you can see it is breaking for the past several weeks or months as a very strong support. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then we have already broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Our target was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $24,000, but so far the price line is not able to reach that target, and the reason is this very huge downtrend line resistance of this very big descending triangle. And you can see that now the movement is very squeezed. You can see it is getting more and more squeezed inside this descending triangle, and at any time we can expect a breakout or breakdown. The support of this triangle is at $18,500, and you can see we are very close to the resistance that is approximately at $19,250. Now if we switch to the this 4-hour time frame chart, then here we have already broken out another falling wedge pattern. And you can see after breaking out, the price line is still moving sideways here, and the target for this breakout is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $20,400. And I was telling you that after this breakout, this recent swing low before the breakout here that we had here at $18,584 can work as a very strong support. And you can see so far the price line is not even breaking down this support as well. Now if we move back to this weekly time frame chart, then we can see that if we will break down this support zone, then our next very strong support can be here, not $13,000, not $14,000, that is here at $12,473. You can see here we have maximum touch points, like we got rejected here in August 2020, and before that we got rejected here and here and here as well. By the way, we can also observe this support as well. We got rejection here that was at $13,880, and therefore we can expect that, for example, if the price line will break down this support zone, then we can have another strong support zone from $13,880 to $12,473. This can be one of the most strongest support zone for Bitcoin, and then from there we can expect the next price reversal. And you can see that if we will be completely rejected by this resistance and move down, break down this support, then the channel support will be also here inside this very strong support zone that is from $13,880 and goes to $12,473. And therefore we will have three supports here, two supports, these horizontal supports, the price level supports, and also the support of the channel as well. So far so good. The price line did not break down this support, and we have already broken out a wedge on the daily time frame chart. We are squeezing inside the triangle, and we have also broken out the resistance of another wedge on the smaller time frame chart. And we have a formation of a huge double bottom pattern here at this support zone from $19,500 to $17,500. Therefore, there is a probability that we may break out this resistance of the channel first. We need to break out the resistance of the triangle, and you can see we are very close to break out this resistance. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle, then our target to the upside can be here, approximately $32,400. In that situation, we can also break out the resistance of the channel, and then we will have the next resistance, a key resistance here at $28,600 that has been working as a very long-term support from January 2021 up till here, May 2022. And then we can expect the final target here at the top of the channel that will be approximately at $65,000 to $67,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.